hospital staff member mixed a 72% disinfectant solution with a 10% disinfectant solution. How many liters of each were used to make a 60 liters of a 42% disinfectant solution? Okay. So we got our 72%. And then we're mixing that with 10%. And then that's going to give us 42%. Well, looks like we're dealing with liters and percent. So liters and percent, liters and percent, liters and percent. Now this is 72%, so that'll be 0.72. This is 10%, so it'll be 0.10. This is 42%, so it'll be 0.42. Okay, mix that with this. How many liters of each were used to make 60 liters? So they're telling us we got 60 liters of the 42%. Now we don't know what this one is, so that'll be X. But we know total it should add up to 60. So this is going to be 60 minus X. And if you think of the reason why, is if I were to put like 20 in here, for example, it's not 20, but pretend it's 20. It has to add up to 60. We do 60 minus 20 to figure out what should go here. Well, since this is X, that's why we'll do 60 minus X. Okay, so then we'll solve this. Take X times 0.72, gives us 0.72X, plus 60 times 0.1, I believe is 6, but let me double check. So we got 60 times 0.1 gives us 6. Negative X times 0.10 gives us negative 0.10X. And 60 times 0.42, 60 times 0.42 gives us 25.2. Well, combining together like terms, we got 0.72x minus 0.10x. That gives us 0.62x plus 6 equals 25.2. Get everything with an x on one side, numbers on the other, so I take 6 over. So I got 0.62x is equal to 25.2 minus 6. So let's see, 25.2 minus 6 gives us 19.2. And then divide both sides by a number in front of your x. So divide both sides by 0.62. And this gives us x. Those 0.62 is going to cancel. And we got 19.2 divided by 0.62. And rounded to 2 decimal places, we got 30.97. And that would be our answer. Actually, let's see what it's asking for. How many liters of each? Okay, this is our 72%. The reason I know that is this is X, and that's X. Now the other one is 60 minus X. So I'll take 60 minus that. So 60 minus 30.97 gives us 29.03. And that's going to be our 10% amount. And those would be our answers. Often it's a good idea to look to see what they're really asking for instead of assuming.